Are you on a diet or have a sweet tooth? Indulge your cravings with these good-for-you sweet treats that won't derail your diet this festive season. Stay tuned with me till the end. Hello dears, Namaste and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Let's all welcome Ganapati Bappa home the eco-friendly and healthy way by making these nutritious laddus this Ganesh Chaturthi. Ragi Laddus are not only delicious but also are full of nutrition. Today I am sharing my mom's version of this recipe. We all know moms and their recipes are the best and nothing can go wrong with them. A few variety of laddus tend to stick stubbornly in the top of the mouth or throat while eating. In this recipe, we will be adding a few ingredients that will avoid this and give a grainy texture to the laddu. It also elevates the taste and nutritional value. So let's get started. We need 1 cup of ragi flour or finger millet. Our main ingredient, a superfood for both young and old, and must to be included in our daily diets. 1/4 cup of semolina or Suji to avoid the stickiness and add that grainy texture to the laddus. 1/2 cup of poha or flattened rice. If you're not aware, they are incredibly healthy, rich in iron and low in calories. They also add to the grainy texture of the laddus. Lastly, 1/4 cup desiccated coconut. You may also replace with freshly shredded coconut. Coconuts are a source of good fats and add natural sweetness and that nutty flavor to the recipe. Now set the wok in low heat and dry roast the poha first. It doesn't take much time. As soon as it changes color, transfer to a mixie jar. Allow it to cool and then blend just for a few seconds. The powder should look like this. Don't make it too fine. Transfer this powder to a hollow container and cover it with a lid. In the same wok, add a spoonful of desi ghee or clarified butter and then add semolina. Roast it in low heat until it turns aromatic and slightly golden in color. Now transfer this into the same container where we stored the poha powder. Cover it with a lid to retain the heat. In the same wok, add another spoonful of ghee to roast the ragi flour this time. Roast the flour in low heat. Make sure not to burn. Transfer this also to the same container, cover and keep it aside. It's now time to finally fry the desiccated coconut. Repeat the same process, add a tablespoon of ghee and lightly roast the coconut in low heat. Transfer to the bowl once done. We are now done with the roasting process. Let's now add powdered flax seeds aka flax meal to boost the nutritional value of the recipe. No sweet dish is complete without cardamom, so go ahead and add cardamom powder. Now let's talk about the sweetener. Health-wise, the best one to use here would be dates. Soak them in milk and make a paste out of it and then use them, or you can traditionally use jaggery. I didn't have them available today, so I'm using cane sugar here. I took a little more than 1/2 cup of cane sugar and then powdered it. You can also use regular sugar. It's up to your preference. As you can see, I've added ghee. Give them all a good mix. Meanwhile, roast nuts of your choice in ghee and add it hot to the prepared mixture. Yes, it should be hot. Mix it with a spoon and then use your hands when you can. Start taking small portions of the mixture and make laddus when it's still warm. Remember that you cannot shape them if the flour gets cold. These laddus taste yummalicious. You just can't eat one, so make sure to make enough. Welcome the fast approaching festive season with sweet treats like these in a healthy way. Hope you liked my recipe. If you did, then please subscribe to my channel. Ring that bell, like and share my videos with your family and friends. Wish you all a happy Ganesh Chaturthi. May Lord Ganesha keep us all healthy and happy. Ganapati Bappa Moria.